Hi everybody, welcome back to the HDMI Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the Auto Search Switch Plus function in your Samsung Smart Monitor. Actually, using the option is quite easy. Just go to the left to the control panel and scroll down to the settings. Now go to the all settings and here scroll down to the privacy. Go to the external device manager now and scroll down to the Auto Search Switch Plus. Just turn this option on, and what you do now is just you have to connect a new source to your monitor. As you can see, this option displays a new activated source automatically, so you just have to activate a new source. And that's actually it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Goodbye!